Treasure hunting? Treasure hunting. Judo! Judo! Judo!
Benjamin, punta lang sa playground area.
Saan tayo, Kuya Gab?
Madali. Ayan.
I'm ready to fight na.
Protect your team! Protect your team! Protect your team!
2 minutes lang. Winger. Marshall, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Hanap ng target! Hanap ng target!
Hey, know your teammates, ha? Kapatikan ko, binabaril nyo. Free for all, eh. Yung mga naka-green naman.
I'm not gonna take a bath.
Every tribe will see your glory. Every nation bow before you. Sige po. And make surprise daw ang mga kids para sa inyo. So kids, would you like to get your surprise?
Wow!
And let's just express our gratitude to our parents. Sige. Slowly, baka po may mga mata pa, balik lang tayo. To just really express their gratitude to you.
Wow!
Sige po.
Ayan.
Kung meron mang na-prepare yung mga bata,
Uy, grabe naman.
ingat lang sa mga tali. Sige, basahin lang natin. Tapos, kids, after you have read yung letter ninyo, why don't we just pray for your father?
Thank you for
Pag-pray
being
niyo yung daddy ninyo, lay hands
Thank
ninyo,
you
tapos pray for them.
accepting this trip with me. Thank you for guiding me and
Sige.
protecting me here. And thank you for loving me. And I love you so much.